Welcome back to Overheat, Mercedes Benz GLE Motorhome 2026, a combination of adventure and luxury. External, the material will probably be a composite that is robust, lightweight, and has good thermal insulation. Customized windows, smaller, more insulated custom units possibly with built-in blinds or a privacy system will take the place of the side windows. Disguised external storage, the underbody will be subtly equipped with concealed storage spaces. Access to power and water, there will be discrete connections for an external power source and fresh water refills. Lightweight off-road wheel and tire options, the GLE Motorhome may come with the option of lighter all-terrain tires and more durable wheels, but it is still a sumptuous vehicle. Interior, seating, a dining space. A small dining space will be visible from the driver's and front passenger seats, which can be turned 180 degrees. Most likely, the bed will be resized to fit to adults. Kitchen, 1 or 2 induction hobs, a small refrigerator, and many drawers for storing goods and utensils. Smart storage will be placed in every available space. Smooth upper cabinets and concealed drawers. LED ambient lighting, various ambiances can be produced with a customizable LED lighting system. Sound and thermal insulation, in any weather, the cabin will be peaceful and cozy thanks to excellent insulation. A mild hybrid gasoline or diesel engine provides an excellent balance of power, fuel economy, and sufficient torque to support the additional weight. For a meticulous all-wheel drive system, superior traction in a range of road conditions and light terrain is provided by meticulous, which is standard on the majority of GLEs. Aromatic air suspension allows for automated leveling and is essential for comfort and light off-road performance. Advanced connectivity, wireless charging, many USB-C ports, and an integrated Wi-Fi hotspot will keep all of your gadgets charged and connected. Mercedes-Benz safety systems, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist will remain available.